Hi students of standard 10. Students, I already told in last sessions that you all have to stay at home and must have to protect yourself from the COVID-19. Okay students, so with the means of this video I am going to teach you chapter number 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 para. Okay, one para we learnt in last session, so today also I am going to revise it. If you having any confusion, then I am giving short summary of first para, so you will listen. And students, first of all I am telling you that if any chapter we will learn, at that time you have to keep book in your hand. Okay, so easily you can understand it. Another thing, you will keep notebook, pen, whatever with you, so you can write some important points with the means of this video. Okay students, before start this session we have to revise para number 1 little bit. What we learnt in para number 1? Students, in para number 1 we learned that Pura ekasmina jalasaya, means this para we learnt in last session. Means long ago, if you will see students, there were 3 fish lived in the lake named as Anagat Vidata, Pratyutpannamati and Yadavishya. Okay, once what happens students, fishermen came there and immediately they talked to each other that, oh, here there are many fish, and they also talk that we never find these types of lake before. Now from today we will get our livelihood easily. And after that they decided tomorrow we will come here and kill all turtles and fish. Means students, this was the concept of first para we learnt in last session. Okay, here I have written, see, fishes name Anagat Vidata, Pratyutpannamati, Yadavishya, Vinashati, and fishermen what decided we already discussed students. Okay, and some questions will be asked from paragraph number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you must have to remember, here I have written some question answer which belong to whatever we today is going on. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you will pay attention at last, and with study you will also focus on these question answers. Okay, so easily you can understand. Now first of all, I am reading paragraphs which given on page number 6. Let you pay attention. Okay students, see, the paragraphs are like this. Atha tesham tatkulishopam vachanam samakarnya matsyaha parasparam prahu shrutoyam divralapa aduna asmabhi kim kartavyam तत्र अनागत विधाता नाम मत्स्यः प्राह नूनं प्रभात समये दीव्राः अत्र आगम्य मत्स्यं संशयं करिष्यति इति मम मनसि वर्तते तन्नयुक्तं साम्प्रतं क्षणमपि अत्र अवस्थान्तुम् अस्माभिः रात्रौ एव किंचित समीपम शरः गंतव्यम्. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अहम तावत् जलाशय अंतरम गच्छामि. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द रीडिंग ऑफ फर्स्ट पैरा. फर्स्ट पैरा मीन्स इन योर बुक सेकंड पैरा, बट टुडेज लर्निंग मीन्स फर्स्ट. नाउ अनदर पैरा मीन्स थर्ड नंबर. अपरः प्रत्युत्पन्नमति प्राह भविष्य अर्थे प्रमाणाभावत् कुत्र मया गंतव्यम तद उत्पन्ने यथा कार्ये तद अनुष्ठये तथा चौक्तम उत्पन्ना आपदम यस्तु समाद्यते सह बुद्धिमान. दिस इज द रीडिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट पैरा, मीन्स थर्ड पैरा. नाउ सी फोर्थ पैरा. ततो यद् भविष्य उक्तम दीव्राणां वचन मात्रेण पितृ पैत्रा महिकस्य जलाशयस्य त्यागः न युज्यन्ते यदि आयुषयो अस्ति तदा अन्यत्र गतानम् अपि मृत्यु भविष्यति एव उक्तम च. ओके, uktam cha, that we have to learn in next session. Now till paragraph number 2, 3 and 4, see what is there in 2, 3 or 4. You keep book in your hand. Okay, see I am reading here. Atah tesam word used for fishermen. Atah means so tesam tat kulishopam means a fisherman's. Okay, tat kulishopam means sentence like thunderbolt. Vachanam samakarina, vachanam यानी कि statement, and samakarina that means listened. Matsyaha paraspar prahu means all fish talk to each other, means discussed. This is the concept of this line. Means so that after listening a statement of fishermen like thunderbolt, all fish talk to each other. What they talk to each other? Shruyo ayam dhivralap means we have listened the statement of dhivralap. Dhivralap means you can see students, dhivralap it's a sasti tatpurush. You have to see samas in exam if asked then. Okay, adhuna asmabhi kim kartavyam. Adhuna means now. Asmakam kim kartavyam, asmakam means our, and kim kartavyam means what is duty, means what is our duty to do, means अब हमारी क्या ड्यूटी है, what we have to do. तत्र अनागत विधाता नाम मत्स्यः प्राह. तत्र means at that time. Okay, see behind me you can see some question answer. There I have written related to this line. Okay, so after that we will discuss. But see, तत्र अनागत विधाता नाम मत्स्यः प्राह. Tatra means there. Anagat Vidhata means name of fish. Nama named. Matsyah Praha means fish spoke. Means at that time a fish named Anagat Vidhata spoke. What he spoke? See, means he is giving his opinion. Nunam Prabhat Samaye Divraha Atra Agamya Matsyam Sansayam Karishyanti. Means really at morning time. Prabhat Samaya means at morning time. Divraha Atra Agamya means fishermen Atra Agamya. Okay, here you can see Sandhi word Atra Agamya. Atra plus Agamya. Okay, Atra plus Agamya. So Nunam Prabhat Samaye Divraha Atra Agamya means really at morning time fishermen came here and Matsya Sansayam Karishyanti. Matsasya means all fish. Sanshayam that means killed, and Karishyanti it shows the future tense. So how the sentence will happen? Really at morning time fishermen will come here and kill all fish. This is the opinion of Anagat Vidhata. Iti mama manam shi vartate means these types of believed by my mind or disbelieved with me, whatever we can say. Next what he is telling, tanna yuktam shampratam shanamapi atra avasthantum means tanna yuktam. Here see, tanna yuktam it's a sandhi word, tata plus na plus yuktam. Okay, tata plus na plus yuktam it's a sandhi word. You have to keep in your mind. So in board exam if asked these types of sandhi word, then remember what is the meaning of tat tanna yuktam. Tat plus na plus yuktam means as possible as, and sampratam means at present time. Shanam api atra avasthantu means in this situation shanama api means not waste any moment. So here Anagat Vidhata is telling that tanna yuktam sampratam shanam api atra avasthantu means as possible as, at present time, no need to waste our time in this situation. Okay, then asmabhi ratro eva kinchit samipam sharah gantavyam. See, asmabhi means we all, ratro means at night time, eva kinchit samipam sharah means kinchit means certain, and samipam sharah means near if any lake. We have to, gantavya means have to go. Here he is telling that at night time we all have to leave this lake and have to go to the another lake. And last line of this para see, aham tavat jalasaya antaram gacchami. Aham means I, and tavat means decision has been taken by me. Jalasaya antaram gacchami means going to the another. Jalasaya means lake. So he is telling that I decided that to go to another lake. Okay students, this is the concept of for this para, means second para. Okay, if any doubt then you have to keep in your mind that we will solve it. Okay, next para, apara pratyunnamati praha. Apara pratyunnamati praha. Apar means another. Pratyutpannamati praha. Pratyutpannamati praha means Pratyutpannamati spoke, means another fish Pratyutpannamati spoke. Bhavishyarthe pramana bhavat putra maya gantavya. Bhavishyarthe means about future. Pramana bhavat, praman means proof or certificate, whatever experience also we can use there. Putra maya gantavya. Putra means where, maya means I, and gantavya have to go. How the translate happens? See, I have no any idea about future, so where have to go? This told by Pratyutpannamati. Okay students, next, tada utpanne yatha karye tada anushtheyam tatha chokta. He is telling that tada utpanna means if any produce, yatha karya in our work, tadu anushtheya means solve it, means he is telling that if any difficulty produce in our work, have to solve it. Tatha chokta means at that time he spoke, O bola. Utpanna apadam yastu samadhyate saha buddhiman. Utpanna apadam, here two words you can see, utpanna plus apadam. Utpanna apadam means when any apadam means difficulty, utpanna means produce, yastu samadhyate means one can get the solution, saha buddhiman means he or she is, buddhiman means intelligent or clever. So here Pratyutpannamati is telling that if any difficulty produce and get the solution, then he or she is counted as the intelligent one, clever one. Okay student, this is the concept of Pratyutpannamati. Understood? Translate after that I will say, don't worry, but let what is the concept is there in this para. Next, tato yadda vishyena uktam. Tato means at that time, yadda vishyena means yadda vishya, ukta means spoke. At that time yadda vishya spoke. Okay, what he spoke? See, Diviranam vachan matrena pitrum pritrake mahikasya jalasya tyagam na yujyante. Remember what the Yadda Vishya is telling, that Diviranam vachan matrena. Divirana means fishermen, and vachan matrena means because of statement, means because of the statement of fishermen. Pitru paitra kam mahikasya means ancient fathers. Pitru pitra means our ancient fathers, means dada okay dada pardada. That means in Sanskrit it is said that Pitru pitra mahikasya jalashayasya tyagam na yujyante. Jalashaya means water, lake. Okay, tyagam means avoid, na yujyante means it is not good. So here Yadda Vishya is telling that by the statement of fishermen, it is not good to leave this place or lake which belong to our ancient fathers. Okay, next what he is telling, that yadi that means if, ayu shayo asti, ayu means our life and shayo means is going to destroy. Tada anyatra gatanam api, anyatra means anywhere, to other place. Gatanam api, gatan means to go. Mrityu bhavishyanti eva means death will surely happen. So here Yadda Vishya is telling that if our life is going to destroy, tada means at that time to go to other place, then also surely our death will happen. Uktam cha, and also said, means from till we have to today learn. Uktam cha means he said. So what he will said means what he will tell in next para we will see in next session. So just now you have to see only 2, 3 and 4 para, and first only just revision was there. Okay. Now students, one time I am repeating, if having any confusion in para number 2, 3 and 4, then solve it. Okay. See, only just translate I am doing. Understood? Listen. So that after listening a statement which look like thunderbolt, all fish talk to each other. Talk to each other. Having listened this statement of fisherman, now what is our duty? At that time, a fish named Anagat Vidata spoke, really at morning time fishermen will come here and kill to all fish. So this believed by myself. And next, as possible as at present time, no need to waste our time in this situation. So let we all have to leave this place and go to another lake at night time. And last line is there, aham tavat. Okay, I have taken decision to go to another lake. This is the concept of second para. Now fourth para, translate. See, another fish Pratyutpannamati spoke, I have no idea about future, so where I have to go? If any difficulty produce, then we have to solve it. And he spoke that if any difficulty produce and anyone get the solution, then he or she is known as clever one. Next, then Yadyavishya spoke, by listening the statement of fisherman, we can't leave this lake which belong to our ancient father. Okay. Next, he is telling that if our life is going near to the death, then to go to other place, then also we will die. And he said. Okay students, this is the concept of these paragraphs. Now here I have written some question answer. How many fish are there? There are 3 fish. Second question, what was the name of fish? The name of fish is Anagat Vidata, Pratyutpannamati and Yadyavishya. What did fishermen decide? Fishermen decide that tomorrow we will come here and kill to all fish and turtle. What was the opinion of Anagat Vidata? The opinion of Anagat Vidata is that really and at morning time fishermen will come here and surely kill to all. So at night time we have to leave this lake. What does Pratyutpannamati believe? Pratyutpannamati believe that I have no any idea about future. So if any difficulty produce in future, then we have to get the solution, and that is known as the clever one. What does the Yadyavishya spoke? Yadyavishya spoke that by listening the statement of fishermen, we can't leave this lake because it is belong to our ancient father. And he is also added that if our life is going to destroy at that time to go to other place, then also that will happen, and it is said. So today whatever we learned, you have to refer at your home. So take care and thank you.